Hello, how are you today? Okay, nice. Okay, so can you tell me your name? What is your name?
My name is Mai Anh.
Okay, nice to meet you, Mai Anh. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Wow, very good. Okay, Mai Anh, our lesson today is the starving back. So I'm going to read the sentence for you. You listen very carefully, okay? Okay. There is a buck. He is a very, very big buck. Ooh, very good. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now, is there a dog?
No.
No. Is there a cat?
No.
No, very good. Is there a mosquito?
No.
No. Is there a bug?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, what is there? What is there? What is there? I can't hear you. Speak louder.
The cloud that is the dragon.
May Ann, can you say again? What is there?
Because
What is there?
that
There is,
there
there
is
is,
a bug.
there is a
There is
bug.
a bug.
There is a bug. Very good. Okay, now, is it a very, very hungry bug? Mayan,
Oh,
Mayan, listen to the questions. Pay attention. So, is it a very, very short bug?
no.
No. Is it a very, very angry bug?
No.
No. Is it a very, very happy bug?
No.
No. Is it a very, very big bug?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, how is the bug?
Big.
It is a big bug. Very good. Okay, Mayan, you did good. You did very good. Now, so can you tell me, how is the bug feeling? How is the bug?
Big bug.
How is the bug feeling? How is the bug feeling in the stomach?
Big.
The bug is very, very big. Okay, Mayan, you did a good job today.